Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I share with you how to make a very healthy smoothie good for you and your family. Okay, so guys, let's begin. Here is our banana. We are using 2 medium-sized banana all sliced. Here is our cashew nut handful and our blueberries. Yes guys, very important. And here is our spinach, handful of spinach. Guys, it is good for your health. Let's stop guys. Let's transfer it in a blender, okay? So get your blender, pour in the spinach. Yes, remember everything is clean. Yes, you need to wash your spinach and your blueberries, okay? Now pour that in, go in with the bananas, okay? All right. Yeah, trying to press it down, yes, so as to accommodate everything. Now go in with the cashew nuts, okay? This is called cashew nut smoothie, yes. So guys, look at how it's looking. Pour in your almond milk. Yeah, you can use any milk of your choice, okay? Yes, I go with plant-based milk. All right, this is oat milk actually. So pour that in, okay? Or your almond milk, you can add your ice cubes if you want it cold, okay? Now cover it. Fasten it in your blender and blend, okay? You want to shake it just like this. Look at how it's looking. We are not done. So go ahead and blend it, okay? Yes, we want to blend it smooth, okay? All right, we are blending. Let's wait for it. I hope you give it a shot, okay? It's very healthy, yeah. Healthy for you and your family, yes. So guys, we are done. We are opening it, yes. Ta-da, look at how it's looking. Everything smooth. Okay, now get your glass cup or your jar and transfer it, guys. Oh my, this is looking so good. It tastes so good, I can tell you. So do well to try it, okay? All right, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? Of course, subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's have a taste. All right, cheers. That's so good, guys. I tell you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.